What is life insurance and why do I need it? For you to actually say that you qualify for life insurance, you must have basically people who depend on you. And if you depend on yourself, you also need life insurance. Now, life insurance is basically not about living, it's actually about death and critical illness and disability. Now, when we talk about death, a lot of people get scared. And they're like, but you talked about betting. I'll tell you one thing that is a sure bet. We all at one point in life will die. They say nobody gets out of life alive. Yes. I can tell you for sure, me included, I'm in that list. Now the question is, when? If you knew when you will die, then all life insurance companies would stop. They would not be in any business. Because if I know I will die tomorrow, I'll rush to Mr. Tim and tell Mr. Tim, I need a life insurance. I am in selling business, so I will write you up an insurance policy very fast. And then what happens? The next day you die. So what happens the next day? The insurance company will have to pay the sum assured. Now, I'll introduce the term sum assured. Sum assured is the amount of money that you buy, okay, the coverage that you buy by paying premiums. And usually the premium is a smaller amount. I'll give you an example. If you want, for example, to be covered for a critical illness or death cover of say 2 million shillings, you'll be required to contribute like 500 shillings per month. Depending again on your age, these premiums are calculated. We have guys called actuaries. They're the ones who come up with premium calculations. So now for the mama boga out there and the person out there, if for example, if somebody passes on and you have your children, these children will be left without somebody to cater for them. Now that is the risk you cover, so that in the event of death or disability, then your income has been interrupted. So it means that now the insurance company, if you had a policy, will come in and pay.
So viewers at home, hiyo ndio inaitwa kujipanga. As a man, as a family, as a person, you really need to organize your house, if you can put it. So insurance, in a way, in a nutshell, really covers your, your future. Because these are things we can't really control and we don't really know. Now, just to take you aside on the business aspect of insurance. So a lot of teenagers out there, probably a lot of youths, a lot of people, even your age, asking, okay, the insurance, is it a job? Is it a job really that actually pays? That's the question. That's one. Two, if we were to start a company, for the people who are investors, for the people who are willing to put in the money. So how can you advise the youth, the people, the investors, and then we have the business people oriented? What is insurance as a business?
Insurance normally makes money on the law of averages. And for example, if you insure 10 people, not all of them will die at the same time.
Yes.
So, and the ones that die, we pay. The ones that don't die, we take that money and invest. Now, normally, the insurance companies have a structure. And from down there, we need people that go to people to explain to them about insurance. And these people can be anyone. All you need to do is have your certificate in baby probably from for education, walk into an insurance. It's the easiest job to get, but it's the hardest job, so to say. Because first of all, you're going to be talking to people about insurance, people who know more about you. So that means the first things first, even if you walk to an insurance company, the insurance company will make sure that they train you. After they train you, they make sure that you're ready for the market. You go, they will help you. They will give you some supervisors. You go out to the field, they show you how it is done. And it's pretty simple. Once you identify somebody has a need for insurance, because for you to even approach somebody, you must basically know that that person has a need for insurance. And there's certain things that you'll be trained to look out for. Okay? And these things are mainly income, the need for insurance, probably if somebody has a family, right? And if you're physically healthy. Because again, Insurance is about health. If you're not healthy, it means if you're sickly, it means there are chances of you dying faster. And even as we talk about premiums and stuff like that, premiums are calculated by how healthy you are. Yes.
We encourage you to be insured. Insure your spouse, insure your children, insure your family, and insure yourself, because you matter and we care for you. Live and direct here at the grounds at Silverkam show. This is where we give you facts, we give you information, and you are the #1 leading TV in insurance. So be sure to meet us next on our episode where we have different guests that come talk about insurance and how it impacts your life and how it helps your life.